but please don't confuse it with World Hindi Day. It is on 10th of January. International Day of Democracy is 15th of September. World Lymphoma Day. Lymphoma is a type of cancer. World Lymphoma Day is on 15th of September. And International Day for South-South Cooperation is 12th of September. There is International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. It is on 16th of September. World Patient Day is 17th of September. International Equal Pay Day, that is, there should be equal pay for equal work. It is on 18th of September. International Coastal Cleanup Day is celebrated on 3rd Saturday of September. And International Red Panda Day is also on 3rd Saturday of September. Then we have the World Water Monitoring Day, which is on 18th of September. International Day of Peace is 21st of September. International Week of Deaf is basically on this entire week is that week which ends on the last Sunday of September. World Rhino Day is 22nd of September. World Alzheimer Day is 21st of September. And World Bamboo Day is 18th of September. Then there are some important people who passed away. Union Minister Oscar Fernandez, famous Kashmiri writer Aziz Hazini, famous track and field athlete Yuriz Sadek, Gabon's former Prime Minister Kasmi Roy MBA, Anu Padmanabhan, physicist, Algeria's President Abdulaziz Bouteflika, England's football player Jimmy Greaves, and journalist Manorama Mohapatra. All of these passed away. Which state government has recently launched Millet Mission? Remember, Millet Mission is to basically make Chhattisgarh as India's millet hub. The answer is Chhattisgarh. Which state has stopped in the installation of solar pumps under the PM Kusum scheme? Kusum scheme, it was launched in 2019 with the target to install 20 lakh solar pumps. And in PM Kusum scheme, the best performing state in terms of installation of solar pump is Haryana. The answer is Haryana. Which state has made temple land grabbing a non-bailable offence? Temple land grabbing is a non-bailable offence made by the state of Tamil Nadu. The artificial intelligence based language translator software Project Udaan has been launched by which IIT? Remember, it is IIT Bombay which has launched Project Udaan. It's a language translator to ease the students in understanding the language. The answer is IIT Bombay. Who has been appointed as the President of the Olympic Council of Asia? President of Olympic Council of Asia, it is Raja Randhir Singh. Raja Randhir Singh. And who is the President of International Olympic Committee? It is Thomas Bach. Thomas Bach. In which city Prime Minister has led foundation stone of Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh University? So this is a university which has been set up in Aligarh in UP. Aligarh in UP. He was a freedom fighter, educationist and social reformer. Anand Kumar, the founder of Super 30, he was conferred with which of the following award recently? Anand Kumar, remember, he was given the Swami Brahmanand Award. He was given Swami Brahmanand Award. And Swami Brahmanand was a freedom fighter and former member of parliament. UNESCO Literacy Prize for Innovation in Education was awarded to which education institution? UNESCO Literacy Prize was given to National Institute of Open Schooling, NIOS, and this award was given to NIOS for basically innovation in education. And this award, has been given by UNESCO since 1967. Also, we celebrate something known as International Literacy Day on 8th of September. Shunya campaign was started by which organization? Shunya campaign was started by the Niti Aayog. Basically, it is an initiative of the Niti Aayog to promote electric vehicles, basically promote zero pollution delivery vehicles by working with the consumers and industry. Which airport has been declared as a customs notified airport by the Central Board of Indirect Tax and Customs, CBIC, and M. Ajit Kumar is the chairman of the CBIC. So remember, it is the Kushinagar airport. It is now a customs notified airport, and it is the third international airport in UP after Lucknow and Varanasi. It has been recently declared as a international airport. AUKUS is a partnership between which three countries? So it is A plus UK plus US. So the three countries that are part of AUK US are: A stands for Australia, UK is United Kingdom, and US is America. Very easy to remember. The answer is option A. Government of India, they will host the first ever Global Buddhist Conference in which state? First ever Global Buddhist Conference will take place in the Nalanda Mahavihar, which is in Nalanda in Bihar. So the answer is Bihar. And the conference will be organized by Indian Council for Cultural Relations. Indian Council for Cultural Relations. In which union territory 1 Gram Panchayat 1 DigiPay Sakhi has been launched? 1 Gram Panchayat 1 DigiPay Sakhi. Remember, it has been launched in Jammu and Kashmir. And it was launched in Jammu Kashmir to instill the spirit of entrepreneurship in the women. DigiPay facility will be provided in the remote villages, and women self-help groups will be employed as DigiPay Sakhi. It will promote financial inclusion. What is the name of the project that was recently launched by Union Minister for Road Transport Nitin Gadkari to ensure road safety and reduce the accidents in Nagpur using AI? And now it will be launched in other parts of India as well. It is called iRaste. iRaste. So iRaste stands for what? It stands for Intelligent Solution for Road Safety through Technology and Engineering. It's a collaborative project of Intel India, International Institute of IT Hyderabad, the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR, and Mahindra and Nagpur Municipal Corporation. The aim is to reduce road accidents by 50% in Nagpur. Who was recently appointed as President of International Road Federation India? International Road Federation is an organization that is headquartered in Geneva, and the India headquarters is in New Delhi. So Satish Parekh has been appointed. The answer is Satish Parekh. He is the new President of International Road Federation India. What is the theme of the third cohort which has been launched by RBI under the Regulatory Sandbox? Regulatory Sandbox means that before you do the launch of any product or service in the market, you do the live testing of the new product or service in a controlled and regulated environment. So the first cohort was launched in 2000 and the theme was retail payments. The second cohort was launched in 2020 and the theme was cross-border payment, and the third cohort, the theme is MSME lending. In which of the following cities Tata Steel has commissioned India's first carbon capture plant? India's first carbon capture plant has been launched in Jamshedpur, which is also known as the Steel City, and it is the largest city in Jharkhand. So the answer is Jamshedpur. Recently, with which country India has approved MOU for cooperation in the field of disaster risk reduction and management? With which country India has approved MOU? We will cooperate in the field of disaster mitigation with Italy. The answer is Italy. Italy's Prime Minister is Mario Draghi. Pay Now, with which India has announced the linking of the UPI, is a payment interface of which country? So Pay Now, just like in India we have UPI, Singapore has Pay Now. The answer is Singapore. Which state government has come up with Matrabhumi Yojana? It's a new rural infrastructure scheme. Matrabhumi Yojana is a scheme that was launched by the Chief Minister of UP, Yogi Adityanath. And basically, if we are coming up with any new rural infrastructure, then the person can donate 50% of the cost of the project, and they can have the initiative named after that person or their family members. So 50% you have to pay for the rural project to be named it after you. On World Democracy Day, which state government launched MyMeg program to promote participatory democracy? It is a citizen engagement program started by Meghalaya government. Conrad Sangma is the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Fossil company has announced a partnership with which person as the new brand ambassador? So remember, the brand ambassador for Fossil will be Kirti Sano. India recently participated in the Peaceful Mission exercise. So which country hosted? Peaceful Mission exercise, remember, it was hosted in Orenburg, and Orenburg is in Russia. And many countries participated, the SCO countries participated in Peaceful Mission. And with Russia, India did Indra exercise also, which took place in Volgograd. In which country the first ever in-person Quad Leader Summit is going to take place? The first ever in-person Quad Leader Summit will take place in Washington, D.C., which is the capital of America. So the answer is US. Which Indian naval ship participated in the bilateral maritime exercise with the Sudan Navy in the Red Sea, very near to the Sudanese coast? So the Indian ship that did the exercise is INS Tabar. INS Tabar. Which aircraft was leased by the Indian Navy to Mauritius under India's Sagar initiative? Security and growth for all in the region. So remember, it is the Dornier aircraft. We have given Dornier to Mauritius. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Indian lifestyle brand called TAG, TAGG? Remember, Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma, he has been appointed as the brand ambassador for TAG. Recently, how much percent of the FDI limit is approved for the telecom sector through automated route? How much percent of the FDI limit? Remember, it is now 100%. The answer is 100%. 100% for the telecom sector through the automatic route. Moving on. Who will be the new Ombudsman and Ethics Officer of Delhi and District Cricket Association? New Ombudsman and Ethics Officer will be Indu Malhotra. There is a report called Reforms in Urban Planning Capacity in India. It has been released by which ministry? Remember, this report was released by the Niti Aayog. And this report presents the measures to ramp up urban planning capacity in India. India's first ever green bond, which is euro denominated, was released by which non-banking financial company? Which non-banking financial corporation? So remember, it is Power Finance Corporation. And Power Finance Corporation has become now a Maharatna company. Maharatna company. It comes under Ministry of Power. Who has released the report called United in Science 2021? United in Science report was released recently. It is a book about climate change. It's a report about climate change, and it was launched by World Meteorological Organization. The answer is WMO. It is headquartered in Geneva. Which of the following organization has launched Planetarium Innovation Challenge for startups and tech entrepreneurs? Planetarium Innovation Challenge was launched by MyGov India. MyGov India. Swachhta Pakhwada, it's a pledge for cleanliness. It was launched recently at which port? It was launched at the Cochin Port Trust. Swachhta Pakhwada, this idea started in 2016. It's an environmental awareness campaign. So Cochin Port Trust, it's a very old port and it's located in the Arabian Sea in Kerala. Which Indian actor has been appointed as Fino Payment Bank's brand ambassador? Fino Payment Bank has appointed actor Pankaj Tripathi as the brand ambassador. They have started a campaign called Fikr Not. Fikr Not means don't worry. So for this campaign, they have made Pankaj Tripathi as the ambassador. Recently, the Ministry of Defence has constituted a high-level expert committee for a comprehensive review of the National Cadet Corps. Who will be the chairman of this committee? Who will be the chairman? Remember, chairman will be Baijant Panda. Baijant Panda. Recently, World Bank has announced to discontinue which report? Remember, this is the Ease of Doing Business report. It has been discontinued by the World Bank owing to the irregularities. Joshna Chinappa has been appointed as the brand ambassador for which sports brand? Joshna Chinappa. Remember, Joshna Chinappa has been made the brand ambassador for Essex. Essex. Recently, 21st meeting of Shanghai Cooperation Organization was held in which country? Remember, it was conducted in Tajikistan. It was conducted in Tajikistan, and the capital of Tajikistan is Dushanbe. There are 8 members of SCO, and SCO is headquartered in Beijing. In which of the following cities International Coastal Cleanup Day was celebrated in India recently? It was the 36th International Coastal Cleanup Day. Remember, this day is traditionally held on the 3rd Saturday of September. 3rd Saturday of September, and the city is Vishakhapatnam. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of National Small Industries Development Corporation Limited? It is Alka Nangia Arora. Alka Nangia Arora. The 15th edition of the India-Nepal Surya Kiran exercise will take place where? Remember, it will take place in Pithoragarh. And Pithoragarh is in Uttarakhand. So the answer is option B. Surya Kiran is a very regular exercise, and it was the 15th edition. Which Indian cricket player has announced, he has been announced as the brand ambassador for High Price. High Price has appointed recently, Virat Kohli as their brand ambassador. The answer is Virat Kohli. Name the 3 days mission in which SpaceX has launched the first all-tourist crew into the orbit on board Crew Dragon capsule. First all-tourist crew. It went in Inspiration 4. Inspiration 4. Which department has launched Ek Pehal drive across the country? Ek Pehal has been launched for justice delivery at the doorstep. So it has been started by the Department of Justice. Department of Justice. How many candidates will be trained under Rail Kaushal Vikas Yojana in the next 3 years for skill development program? So remember, under Rail Kaushal Vikas Yojana, 50,000 candidates will be trained in the next 3 years. The answer is 50,000. And the initiative to train the candidates is launched under Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. The student must be between 18 to 35 years in age, right? And they will be provided a certificate by the National Rail and Transportation Institute. For the 4th consecutive year, which bank has won the first prize in the Rajbhasha Kirti Puruskaram? In the Rajbhasha Kirti Puruskar, this award is given for outstanding performance in the field of official language. It is Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank also merged with the United Bank of India and the Oriental Bank of Commerce. Charanjit Singh Channi has become the new Chief Minister of which state? He has become the Chief Minister of Punjab. Which state has declared Cooper Mahasir, locally called Katle, as the state fish? Remember, Sikkim has declared Katle as the state fish. And this fish is found in the Teesta River, mainly. Which insurance company has launched Pragati mobile app for its development officers? Pragati mobile app was launched by Life Insurance Corporation of India. And this company also launched Anand mobile app for the LIC agents and Jeevan Sakshay mobile app. Jeevan Sakshay mobile app was also launched. Recently, the Cabinet Committee on Security, they have approved the procurement of 56 C-295MW transport aircraft for the Indian Air Force from which company? Remember, this company will be Airbus. In fact, out of the 56 aircrafts, 40 will be manufactured in India by Tata and Airbus together, and 16 will be procured directly from Airbus Spain branch. Recently, which state of India has given GI tag to Sirara Khong chili and Tamenglong orange? Remember, it is Manipur. The answer is Manipur. Recently, which ministry has announced to start Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Yojana to cover 36,000 villages across the country? This is the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Minister is Arjun Munda. His constituency is Khunti. So the villages, all of these villages will have more than 50% tribal population. And there were Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Yojana awards also that were given recently. So the first prize was given to Kachar district in Assam. Recently, which country they had the first ever Hindu woman civil servant? And what was her name? Sana Ramchand Gulwani. She is from Sindh in Pakistan. The answer is Pakistan. Who has won the Asian Snooker Championship for the second consecutive time? Asian Snooker Championship, remember, it is Pankaj Advani. Pankaj Advani. Harmilan Kaur Bains, she created a national record in which of the following marathon race at the 60th National Open Athletics Championship recently? So remember, this championship took place in Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, which is in Telangana. And she created the world record in 1500 meter race. National record, not world record. National record in 1500 meter race. She is from Punjab. With which of the following organization Niti Aayog has launched Atal Innovation Mission Space Challenge? Atal Innovation Mission Space Challenge, remember, it was launched by ISRO and CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. And basically it was launched, in those schools mainly which have Atal Tinkering Labs. Who has become India's 70th chess grandmaster? India's 70th chess grandmaster is R. Raja Ritwik from Warangal in Telangana. R. Raja Ritwik. Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh released a book called Shining Sikh Youth of India in commemoration of the 400th birth anniversary of Guru Tegh Bahadur. Who has written the book? Book has been written by Dr. Prableen Singh. When is the International Week of Deaf observed? International Week of Deaf is basically the full week that ends on the last Sunday of September. So the answer is option A. Answer is option A. And this week was first launched in 1958. And what was the theme? Celebrating the thriving deaf communities. Which IIT? Basically, they have designed an innovative device that can generate electricity from water drops, raindrops, water streams and ocean waves. This IIT is IIT Delhi. The answer is IIT Delhi. India has climbed 2 spots in the Global Innovation Index. Which organization releases it? It is released by World Intellectual Property Organization. WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization, and our rank now is 46. Our rank now is 46. Which state has inaugurated South Asia's largest product development center, digital hub that will have 15,000 startups by 2026? Remember, it was launched recently in Kerala. It was launched in Kerala. They will have a digital hub which will have 15,000 startups. It's a very big place. Recently, which state of India was the best performer in the Food Safety Index that is released by Food Safety and Standard Authority of India? So remember, it is Gujarat among the large states, Goa among the small states, Jammu Kashmir among the union territories. Which country participated with India in the Samudra Shakti exercise which took place at the Sunda Strait? So remember, it is exercise between India and Indonesia, and the Indian ships that participated in it is INS Shivalik and INS Kadmat. These two participated. Recently, which country has become member of Shanghai Cooperation Organization? So it is Iran. So now there are 9 members in SCO. I told you 8, but now there are 9. Iran is also now a member of the SCO. Who is the author of the book The Three Khans and the Emergence of New India? The Three Khans and the Emergence of New India is a book which is written by Kaveri Bamzai. The answer is option A, Kaveri Bamzai. Which CISF official has become the fastest Indian to summit two peaks located in Africa and Russia? In Africa, she scaled Mount Kilimanjaro. In Russia, she scaled Mount Elbrus. Her name is Geeta Samota. Geeta Samota. In which country this volcano erupted? Cumbre Vieja. It erupted in Canary Islands, and Canary Islands is a part of Spain. The answer is Spain. Recently, there is a mount called Mount Eso in Japan. It also erupted. Who has been appointed as World Health Organization's ambassador for global health financing? Remember, they have appointed former Prime Minister of Britain, Gordon Brown, as the WHO ambassador for global health financing. Who is the chairman of a group of ministers constituted by the central government for better implementation of the welfare schemes meant for SC, ST, OBC, minorities and women? This will be headed by Shri Rajnath Singh. He is the Defence Minister of India. His constituency is Lucknow. So that was the part 3 in English language for September best questions. I'll see you in part 4. Thank you for watching Study IQ.